Hello and welcome to Explore with Aisha. I'm back again with the second part of the employment series. And as we discussed before, हमने पिछले ब्लॉग में बात की थी regarding all the understanding that you need before you start applying for your job in Canada.
So today we will talk about the things you need to do when you are ready to apply for jobs, and also the things you will be doing while you have applied for the job and you're waiting for an interview call.
We'll start with talking about the resume itself. Resume is a very important component once you start applying for the job. What is a resume? It is a written compilation of your education, work experience, your achievements, accomplishments, your skills and your credentials. Resume एक बहुत important tool है when you are applying for a job. एक resume employer को आपकी story बताता है, professional story, not your personal story. So it's different from CV. Back home बहुत सारी countries में रेज्यूमे की जगह CV यूज होता है जिसमें आपकी पिक्चर भी होती है. एंड अगेन दिस इज व्हाट आई विल डिस्कस इन अ सेपरेट ब्लॉग बिकॉज as we'll be working on drafting your winning resume, I'll be providing you tips and tricks about the resume. But just an introduction of what is resume, what kind of resumes are there and why it's important. So ये professionally आपकी एक picture draft करता है in front of the employer. And it's your first meeting with the employer. क्योंकि employer आपका resume देखेगा, so they will invite you for interview or shortlist you for the interview. So you have to be very professional in your resume. It is not an autobiography. It is a promotion tool, a self-advertisement tool where you have to showcase your professional skills, your accomplishments, your education, your credentials, and other components which we'll talk in detail in the upcoming resume vlog. Mainly resumes there are 4 types in Canada. The first one is chronological. Of course, this is a very common format जिसमें आप अपनी work history start करते हैं from the latest and go backward to your work history. It gives a quick snapshot of your work history. The second one is called functional resume. It focuses on your skills and your experience first. और उसके बाद वो job history भी आपकी explain करता है. The third one is called combination resume. There are 2 parts or pages of this resume. First part is about functional form where it talks about your skills, highlights your skills and accomplishments. Or second part may talks about your chronological work history. So it's called a combination resume of chronological resume and functional resume together. And the last, the fourth type is the targeted resume, जो कि target करता है to a specific job posting जिसके लिए आप अप्लाई कर रहे होते हैं. तो आपकी skills related to that posting होंगे, आपका objective, आपकी qualifications will target, will focus towards the job opening or the job posting where you are applying for the job. तो ये 4 किस्म के 4 टाइप्स के रेज्यूमे होते हैं जो कि कनाडा में नॉर्मली यूज होते हैं. और अगेन इसको डिटेल से हम आपको बताएंगे इनके बारे में व्हेन आई विल बी डूइंग द रेज्यूमे व्लॉग. जरूर देखिएगा रेज्यूमे व्लॉग एज वेल क्योंकि हम डूज एंड डोंट्स ऑफ रेज्यूमे भी बताएंगे, हम टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स भी बताएंगे ताकि योर रेज्यूमे कैन स्टैंड आउट अमंग थाउजेंड्स ऑफ रेज्यूमेस जो कि स्पेसिफिक जॉब पोस्टिंग के लिए लोगों ने सेंड किए होंगे. Please do watch that vlog as well. Now, as the resume is very important, the cover letter is equally important, especially when the job posting asks for the cover letter. It is a written document which is submitted with the job application or job resume that explains your interest for the position. So the things which you were not able to tell in your resume, you can write in a paragraph there. Not about your personal history, again, thoroughly professional, but you can speak about what is your passion for that particular job you're applying for, what is your experience. So everything in 2 or 3 paragraphs. Again, when we'll work on the resume, we'll talk about the cover letter, how to draft your cover letter as well. So you will get some tips and tricks. that how you can draft a cover letter, talk about your skills and strength, your background, your passion for that particular job. इसके अलावा call for action, which is really, really important, which is a major component, important component of a cover letter. तो हम उसके बारे में भी डिटेल से बात करेंगे. तो पहली चीज तो जब आप you start applying for job, you have to create a winning cover letter and a resume. The second most important thing that you need to do once you start applying for a job after you work on your resume and cover letter is networking. Networking is really, really important in Canada. If you want to enter the job market, you want to explore all the opportunities available in the job market, you need to start networking from the very day you landed. Now let's talk a little bit about what is networking. Networking is all about building connections that mutually benefit the professionals who are involved in that connection. So ऐसे connection maintain करना, ऐसे connection build करना जो कि professionally आपको help करें, assist करें, support करें, advice करें और आपको अपना career promote करने में, build करने में मदद करें. They help you discover future opportunities and get connected with people in your desired field. So this is really important that you start networking as soon as possible. So in a nutshell, there are a couple of reasons which I'm going to talk about कि जो networking को essential कर देते हैं when you come to Canada for you. जिनमें से top में है learn from other people professional success in Canada. So you know their success stories, you know how they progressed in their career. Maybe they were a newcomer at a point and now they have progressed to become the managers of the company. What they did, how they did, इसके बारे में आपको पता चलता है. आपके लिए doors open होते हैं for new opportunities within your network. So let's say a network, a connection of yours, work in an organization, they have a job posting and they are asking for any referral within the organization. If that connection knows you well and knows your abilities and skills, they can recommend you to the organization. So that opens a door for you to get employed in that organization क्योंकि वहाँ पे आपका एक connection था. इसी तरह it helps you to build and promote your personal brand. So what are you? When you professionally network, you kind of self-advertise yourself. It's like, a living resume. You talk about your abilities, your skills, and if people think that you are the perfect fit for the organization, they might refer you to their managers, and what if they're themselves the hiring managers, and they can ask for your resume right away. उसके अलावा networking आपके अंदर confidence build करती है for the future job interviews. So you know your skills, you know what people are looking for, you know how you can initiate a conversation in a professional manner, you know how you can meet and greet in a professional setting. तो आपके अंदर एक confidence build होता है जो कि आपको help करता है to fit in the Canadian workplace culture as well as to ace your interviews. आप शेयर आइडियाज करते हैं within the people in your network, तो ये भी एक तरह से आपकी प्रोफेशनल प्रमोशन है क्योंकि you might have some ideas in mind which you implemented and they were successful and people want to hear your successes as well. So in those small chats, in an informal way but a professional way, you can talk about those strategies you adapted and they helped you to promote your work plan in your past jobs. So एक तरह का आपको मौका या प्लेटफॉर्म मिल जाता है to share your ideas, and of course when we speak about sharing, you ask for their ideas as well. What other things could have been done, how we can initiate this project, how we can work on this project, how we can successfully promote this project. And of course through networking आप meaningful professional relationships भी develop करते हैं. So networking is really, really, really important. A couple of tips and tricks which I'll share with you right now.
These tips will help you to improve your network, and we'll also talk about some platforms to build your professional connections.
जो सबसे पहले तो आप community events attend करें. Community events ऐसे events होते हैं जो कि community में organize होते हैं. So community places हैं जैसे libraries हैं, community centers हैं. They do several workshops that can help newcomers or even the citizens if they want to be involved in some professional networking platforms, they provide you the opportunities. So आप उनसे connect करें, वो workshops, वो seminars attend करें. That will provide you a platform to professionally network and connect with people with same ideology, and they can help you with suggestions and with insights about the same industry. Mostly the seminars जो community organizations arrange करती हैं, they are free of cost. So you can just register yourself, you can go and start your networking. The other platform is job fairs. So attend the job fairs, go there. जॉब फेयर्स आपको इवेंट ब्राइट पे मिल जाएंगे, और ये कम्युनिटी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस भी इफ दे आर हैविंग अ जॉब फेयर वो एडवर्टाइज करती हैं, तो आप उनके थ्रू जॉब फेयर्स के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन ले सकते हैं, अटेंड कर सकते हैं. दैट ऑल्सो विल प्रोवाइड यू अ प्लेटफॉर्म टू नेटवर्क एंड बिल्ड कनेक्शन विद द कंपनी एक्सपर्ट्स. Another important component to initiate your networking professionally is that go and see the community organizations. In Canada, बहुत सारी कम्युनिटी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस मौजूद हैं जो कि गवर्नमेंट के थ्रू फंडेड होती हैं. दे प्रोवाइड यू अ प्लेटफॉर्म टू नेटवर्क एंड शेयर इंफॉर्मेशन as well as showcase yourself as a professional. So under those community organizations, they organize many job fairs, mentorship sessions, speed mentoring, and they also share a lot of information with you regarding your career search, how to build your resume. They can even review your resumes, and they can provide you with meaningful information so you can land in a timely manner. You can get your job or you can land in the field of your interest. अगर आपने कम्युनिटी रिसोर्सेज के बारे में और इन्फॉर्मेशन हासिल करनी है तो मेरा ब्लॉग है, उसका मैं लिंक आपको यहाँ शेयर कर दूंगी डिस्क्रिप्शन में. In that blog, I have spoken about all the free community resources available in the community. Another important platform where you can exercise your networking skills is your virtual community. Virtual community is a social network of individuals who connect online through social media. It could be LinkedIn, it could be Twitter, it could be, Facebook. And the main purpose of that connection is to pursue mutual interests or goal, or to collaborate in a professional setting, to get more information and build connections. So the virtual community, ये बहुत important है to start networking. हम नेटवर्किंग थ्रू सोशल मीडिया के बारे में डिटेल से एक सेपरेट व्लॉग करेंगे, क्योंकि अगेन इट्स अ होल टॉपिक इन इटसेल्फ. हम बेनिफिट्स के बारे में भी बताएंगे डेफिनेटली, जो कि आपको हासिल होते हैं. सो ऑफ कोर्स देयर प्रोज एंड कॉन्स, हम दोनों के बारे में थोड़ी थोड़ी बात करेंगे. लेकिन अभी के लिए सिर्फ आपको इस प्लेटफॉर्म के बारे में इंट्रोडक्शन दे रहे हैं कि इट्स ऑल्सो अ ग्रेट प्लेटफॉर्म वेयर यू कैन नेटवर्क एंड बिल्ड कनेक्शंस. So talking about your virtual community, in my opinion, I totally recommend as a professional that LinkedIn is a platform where you can professionally build connections and you can increase your network. LinkedIn में बहुत सारी job postings भी होती हैं, employers भी होते हैं, recruiters भी होते हैं, headhunters भी होते हैं. They are all available there. So if you have a solid profile, if you have a strong profile, it gives you an advantage in the crowded job market. And again, if you don't have a profile, now it's the time to make it. So LinkedIn is a very efficient, effective tool once you're looking for a job in Canada. It gives you an edge. Make sure you add all the components of LinkedIn. So a compelling headline, your picture, the description of your professional history, if you're open for job postings, your LinkedIn URL, your work experience, everything is important in LinkedIn. अगर आप interested हैं LinkedIn profile के बारे में मज़ीद जानने के लिए, how to build your profile, then definitely write in the chat box and I will do a separate vlog talking about how to build your LinkedIn profile to increase your employment opportunities and to give you a platform to professionally connect with professionals. So in a nutshell, your social media, which is your virtual community that provides you a platform to network, to connect, to share information, to build connections, to talk about your strengths, to share your ideas, connect the dots, and finally to find meaningful employment as well. This brings us to the end of our blog for today. A quick recap: we spoke about a couple of things that you need to do while you start applying for your job. We spoke about resumes and cover letter, how they're important, because of course, once you start applying for a job, you need a resume and a cover letter. We spoke about networking, why it's important. We spoke about job fairs. We spoke about community organizations. And we spoke about your social media platforms as well, which can help you in building new connections in a professional setting, which can help you network professionally, which can help you get meaningful employment opportunities as well. Now, just being mindful of the time, I'm going to finish this vlog for today, but there will be another continuity of this vlog where you will find the other important components that you need to understand once you are applying for a job. So keep watching, watch the next vlog as well, where I'll be talking about the rest of the important components that you need to practice once you have started applying for a job. Like, follow, share, and subscribe to the channel. Take care. See you in the next vlog. Bye-bye.